Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, at the start we'll check your DND mode, so open the top menu and expand the icons. Now just look for the DND mode icon. As you can see, this is this icon, and now make sure that you have this feature activated. Sometimes you can just enable it by the misclick and forget about that, so just check it. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and click on the small eye icon. Let's start from the notifications. Of course, you have to turn it on if you don't have it activated. Also turn on all of the notification types, and after that go to the in-app notification settings. Now you have to check that you have high priority notifications here and here activated. In the next step, let's open the permissions and check that you have the notifications in the allowed. Now it's time to open the mobile data and enable the background data usage here and allow also the data saver. If you still don't have your notifications, try to clear the WhatsApp app, so go to the storage and remember to before that to make the backup of your messages. Now choose clear data and tap on the delete. After that you have to log in again to the WhatsApp app and check your notifications. If they are still invisible, open the settings and go to the general management. Choose this reset and tap on the network settings. Tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. And in the last step, open the software update, choose download and install. If you have an updates, just install it and check for your WhatsApp alerts again. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.